Louis, play with me. In a minute, Lana. Please, just come. I'm super bored. She always says that, okay? I know, Dad. I guess fine. I'll play with her. Ugh. Just put my device here. Let's play. Also, just don't make a mess, you two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And I know it's been such a long time, but I am back. My name is Anna, and today I will be making a thunderstorm video. I've seen a lot of people make it, but yeah, anyways, we're just gonna start with the roleplay now. Thank you. I guess I'll probably make like some pasta or some eggs. Everyone, the food's ready. Oh, finally. I was craving some. Oh, you made eggs. It's super boring. And guess what? I heard like some big temperature problem. They said it was kind of rainy. Oh yeah, I see. It's kind of raining. I hope the situation doesn't get worse. Anyway, who told you to be playing in the rain like that? Come with me. Let's put you in your seats. I know that you don't eat this. Anyway, let's start eating our food. Yeah, that was so funny, right? Ah! Did you hear that? Mommy, what was that? I think it's thunder. That was really loud. It's okay. Just cheer up, please. I guess I'll try. Anyway, all of us have to get away from the windows. Oh my God. This silly thing, thunder, is just really making everyone super sad. It's okay. Come on here. Yeah, it's okay. Okay, I guess we can just watch some television. OMG, why did the light just turn off? Okay. It's so scary. Let me on the flashlight. Me too. Okay. Honey, I don't think there's anything we can do. Okay, I guess I have to be careful. Even the flash. Oh my God, it's scary. Wait, did you hear that? Yeah. Someone's there. Oh my God. I think we have to go. Yeah, I guess I'll just put my phone here. I mean, actually, we need this. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh my God, this pillow. Okay, sorry. Wait, 1 second. Just wait. What if it's something scary? It's okay, I'll just check, okay? I'll come behind you. Sure, okay. Okay, this feels freaky. Hello? Who's there? We go a bit outside. Oh, there's no one there. A little, yeah. Ah! Run! Close the door. Well, What do you think? You think a flying box just came out of nowhere and you're okay with that? Don't you know it's a storm, okay? So obviously some things will fly. Well, I don't care. Kids. Mom, what happened? Honey, it's nothing. It's just the wind. There was a box and your mother started crying because she thought there was something going on. Okay, let's just sit here together and wait for the storm to be finished. All the lights are finally on. Yes, so I think the storm's over. Yeah, sweetie. I think we have to sleep now because it's been way too long. Let's put your iPad here and you can climb up to your bed. You too, let's put you right here and have a good night's sleep. Let me close all the lights and just one little flashlight, okay? We don't need any corridor lights anymore. Have to sleep and hope for the best tomorrow. It's been such a long day and look at this. It's literally morning. Kids, wake up. Good morning, good morning. Okay, now we're just gonna sit and have fun and bye. Hi guys, this is me editing right now and I'm super sorry if anything's blurry because I had this problem when exporting it, so just don't mind that. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Love you guys and don't forget to like and subscribe.